Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
On July 1, Panvel City Municipal Corporation had reported a total of 2,277 cases. The figure has more than doubled on July 17. The doubling rate of 16 days in Panvel City Municipal Corporation area is even worse than that of Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation area. Navi Mumbai with the doubling rate of 23 days is far behind Mumbai, which has a doubling rate of 50 days. This situation in Panvel region is even more worrying as there is little testing happening here and yet the cases continue to rise sharply. 145 new COVID-19 cases were reported by PCMC on Friday, taking the total in the region to 4,614 positive cases. One death was reported on the day, taking the COVID toll to 108 here. The daily recovery figure today has risen to 184 and thankfully is higher than the new cases. 12,943 residents have been tested so far in the PCMC jurisdiction. The active cases figure has fallen a bit to 1,432. The total recovery figure has increased to 3,074. Results of just 264 tests are awaited. The death is of a resident of Panvel. The 145 positive cases are 24 from Panvel, 31 from New Panvel, 5 from Khandar Colony, 23 from Kalamboli, 17 from Kamothi, 37 from Kharghar, 7 from Taloja and 1 from another area. The 184 patients who have recovered are 44 from Panvel, 25 from New Panvel, 46 from Kalamboli, 31 from Kamothi, 30 from Kharghar and 8 from Taloja. Of the total 4,614 positive cases reported in the PCMC jurisdiction, 782 are from Kalamboli, 972 are from Kamothi, 912 from Kharghar, 740 from New Panvel, 939 from Panvel and 269 from Taloja. Of the total 108 deaths, there have been 21 deaths in Kalamboli, 27 in Kamothi, 11 in Kharghar, 19 in New Panvel, 20 in Panvel and 10 in Taloja. The numbers continue to remain high. Need for everyone to remain on high alert. Stay safe. For Avas Today, Shahnawaz Jari, Panvel.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.